So the great thing about this new partnership and the value it brings to the customers, those who love Nutanix and they love the ProLiant as a base to run this on, are going to get a fabulous, well-designed product that works together to give you a Nutanix ProLiant solution on the new DX product line. People are saying, so I don't have to install the Nutanix anymore. It comes to me from the factory ready to go. I just plug it in and it goes. And that's exactly what this new DX line does for you. With the DX product line, we've worked together with the Nutanix engineering team to make sure things like one-click update is there. What one-click update does is not only updates the Nutanix software, but it actually updates the NIC firmware, the BIOS, all the features that HPE has as well. So when you want to go and update and get your server to the latest, it's one click away and it's very, very easy. We love this partnership because it is a little bit exotic in the way that we're working together, and we actually are really working together to make the DX product line work seamlessly with Nutanix. People love this, and we want our customers, no matter what infrastructure they choose to work on, we want to make sure on HPE product line it works the best. And with Nutanix, we actually have a really, really powerful solution, and it's making a lot of buzz in the market. Our shows were filled this week with people wanting to hear about it.
Well, there you have it. HPE is further providing our customers with more choice and more benefits with the new HPE ProLiant DX server appliances built specifically for Nutanix customers.